hello, welcome. Guess what, guys? This week I was online and I was reading, like, just checking out some things online, and I noticed someone post something about ingredients that you're not supposed to use on your face or on your skin. And one of the ingredient that they use, I was a little taken aback, like, whoa, stop it. That is what I use basically every day on my skin, and that's something I share a lot on this channel. Now, this ingredient is none other than lemon. I'm here to tell you that lemon is great for the skin. It doesn't matter what the pH and all of that kind of scientific, technique and trying and testing is gonna do. For years and years and years, centuries and centuries, people have been using lemon on their skin. They not only use lemon for the skin, but they also drink lemon. It's just an awesome ingredient. The lemon peel is loaded with vitamin C, okay? And vitamin C will help to clear the skin. Now, so many people can be wrong, and our grandmother and great grandparents can be wrong. And I am living testimony of that because I use a lot of lemon on my skin and my skin is amazing. So guess what, guys? Today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use the good old lemon on your skin for awesome result, for bright, clear, radiant, soft, and supple skin. So come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to use the lemon on your skin for best results. Now, 3 ways to use lemon on your skin. If you do not have lemon for this recipe, go ahead and use lime, but the focus is on the lemons. Now, to make the first recipe, which is going to have to unclog those pores and shrink those large pores, you're going to need a glass container, a cup, and a grater. And you're also going to need a blender. And most of all, you're going to need a fresh lemon. To begin, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to grate the lemon. We're going to be using lemon zest in this recipe. And lemon zest is loaded with vitamin C, which can help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. But not only that, the citric acid from the lemon peel is going to help to clean those pores out and therefore helping to shrink those pores once they're clean. So you want to make sure to wash your lemon and then you're gonna zest. And here is our lemon zest, and now we're moving on to the next ingredient, which is milk. If you're vegan, go ahead and use some soy milk or some almond milk. And milk will help to tighten those pores. It will help to lighten and brighten the skin. But not only that, milk will help to hydrate your skin. Now take a look at the final ingredient, and this is oatmeal. This is also another wonderful ingredient to help to get rid of those large pores. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to blend the oatmeal to a powder. So we're just going to pour the oatmeal in the blender, cover, and take a look. This is the blended oatmeal. And now we're going to put our lemon tightening, pore shrinking facial mask together. So I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the blended oatmeal, 15 ml. Around about a teaspoon of the lemon zest. I'm just going to mix the 2 together. Next, I'm reaching for the milk. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of fresh milk, 15 ml. Pour that in. And we're going to make a nice paste with this. Just blend this in. Just an amazing fragrant. If it's too watery, go ahead and add a little bit more of the oatmeal, which I'm going to do with mine, about a teaspoon more. Mix. And now this is good. And here you have it, guys, our lemon oatmeal facial mask for shrinking large open pores, for tightening and firming your skin while brightening and lightening the skin. To use your lemon oatmeal facial mask, you're just going to start with clean skin. You take a bit of the mask, apply it to your skin, preferably in circular motion, And once you totally cover your skin, especially those areas where you tend to have large open pores and where your skin tend to be sagging, where you see wrinkles and fine lines, once you apply it, you let it dry on your skin for about 30 minutes and then you're going to rinse off. You want to use this 2 to 3 times per week for best results. And there you have it, lemon oatmeal facial mask. One way to use lemon on your skin effectively. Moving on to number 2. Now here comes number 2. The second way to use lemon on your skin is in the form of an exfoliator. Lemon is going to help to get rid of dead skin cells on your skin. It's also going to help to brighten the skin, as I just mentioned, but more so, lemon will just leave your skin just clear, refreshing. If you have oily skin, this one is for you. So here I have my lemon and I'm just going to cut a medium lemon. Pretty easy, and this is it. And all you need for this is an half of a lemon. And I'm going to introduce my second ingredient, which is baking soda. Baking soda will help to exfoliate your skin. It will help to seep into those pores, clean those pores out. And if you're looking for bright, radiant, glowing skin, these 2 ingredients is going to do wonders for you. Now take a look, guys. If you have oily skin and you're trying to clean your skin up and get rid of that oiliness, this recipe is for you. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Pour it here. And guess what? You're going to use some rose water. And you're going to use just a few drops of rose water, probably a half of a teaspoon. We're trying to make a baking soda paste with this. And just mix it in. And this is good. So you mix the baking soda with the rose water. And then you are going to reach for your lemon. And you are going to just pour the baking soda and rose water over your lemon like this, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your skin. And this is if you have oily skin. So just exfoliate the skin in circular motion with the lemon, the baking soda, and the rose water, and then you are going to rinse off, pat dry, and apply your favorite facial toner, moisturizer, and serum. Now if you have dry skin, you're still going to reap the wonderful benefit from this lemon scrub. And you're going to take 1 teaspoon of the baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon. And because you have dry skin, you're going to use some coconut oil or some olive oil or even some grapeseed oil. And you're going to take just a little, about of a teaspoon of coconut oil and the baking soda. And next, you're just going to mix this in a paste, just like we did for the oily skin. And once this is mixed in, you are going to pour it on top of your lemon. And it should look something like this. Give your lemon a little squeeze to get up the juice from the lemon. This is exactly how you want it to be. And you're going to use it to exfoliate your skin. And just exfoliate in circular motion, just like we did with the other, for about 3 minutes. And you're going to do the same. You're going to rinse off, pat dry, and apply your favorite skincare product. And there you have it, another wonderful way in which you could use lemon on the skin. And now we're going to move on to the third and final lemon remedy. So the third way in which to use lemon on the skin is in the form of a lemon moisturizer. So the first ingredient is lemon essential oil, 100% pure lemon essential oil. I'm also going to be using some lemon zest, fresh lemon zest. I'm also going to be using some sweet almond oil and some grapeseed oil. You can choose to use any carrier oil of your choice for this facial oil. So here we have about a quarter teaspoon of the lemon zest. I'm using 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. I'm pouring it over the lemon zest. vitamin E oil, and I'm adding a few drops of vitamin E oil depending on your IU. This is 28,000 IU. And our next ingredient is our lemon essential oil. And I'm also going to use a couple of drops, about 10 drops of the pure lemon essential oil. And now guys, here's where it gets really interesting. This is the base for your lemon facial oil. However, if you want to make this a real anti-aging facial oil, go ahead and use any of your anti-aging oil. You can choose to use morella, you can choose to use cacao oil, you can choose to use rosehip oil, argan oil, any of those fancy oils you can use in this to tip it up a notch. But this is good just as is. So what you're going to do with this, you are going to actually pour this in a container. Make sure that you have a tight cover, and you're going to cover this and place it in a dark area in your pantry or wherever, and you're going to leave it there for a couple of days, 5 to 7 days, and then it is ready to use. The lemon zest is going to infuse in these oils, and what you're going to do once it is ready, you're going to take a small amount of your lemon facial oil and you're going to apply it on your face, your neck and décolleté area after cleansing your face. This lemon oil is great to use every day. A little goes a long way, and you could also wear it in the daytime under your makeup. And there you have it guys, 3 ways you can use lemon on your skin. We have our facial mask, we have the facial scrub, and we have the facial oil. In the comment box below, let me know which is your favorite and which one you think is suitable for your skin and which you're gonna try. Go ahead, try one, try all, use them for a week and come back and leave a comment, okay? So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Lemon, 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 lemon. Go ahead and try these wonderful goodness. Use it for a week, 2 weeks. Come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.